guys. Gonna run a quick disclaimer. Alright. What's up, guys? Welcome back. We had I would say, a very good day yesterday with our strategy and just being able to confidently execute. Just today, we gotta manage that stop loss a little better and let the trade go a little bit more before I adjust my stop loss. So, looking at today, this is a major strong low here. And when I say major strong low, that doesn't mean like it can't be taken out. It just means that we'll see a movement off of it before it takes it out. Usually, you got a strong low here. All right. Currently, all these are still weak highs. We aren't able to break a low, so we are going to be waiting for that. Let me. Okay. Let's get off our. So this is the daily. Like I said, we have that fair value gap on the daily down here. That prices went into beautifully, and we're forming a swing high here. So today you might even have some a swing trade opportunity to go long off this for like I think I tweeted that. No, I didn't tweet that. I put it in my Discord group. If you guys are interested in my Discord group, it's totally free. I'm not trying to upsell you on something like all the other people do. That makes me kind of angry sometimes. Like I get it. It's a business, but at the same time, it makes you skeptical of trading altogether. If it's just people selling stuff when they've learned it somewhere for free, it's like, oh, I learned this for free. Well, let me sell it to you. It's like, okay, okay, guy. But anyways, going on a little rant there. So yeah, I have my Discord. It's free. I don't do any affiliates or anything. I want to make money off trading. So, if you guys are interested, building the community together, and yeah, just sharing ideas or even learning from each other to see how we can all improve, you're welcome to join. And then let's see. And give me one sec here. It is 9:30. Market open. Sorry, might be a little bit off today. So we got kids. Let's see. So we had that level here. honestly, I think I'm gonna be bullish for the day. See if we get a good dip down into a sell side and be bullish. This is let's see, mark out Asia liquidity. That's the only thing that's left. London liquidity. See Asia. Asia sell side and London is actually no, that was London. My bad. Asia's been taken by London. Okay. So we just have London left. Alright, and then let's see, let's look at previous day highs up here. Got a lot of liquidity up there. So buys yesterday. This is a yesterday high. This is a two days ago. Yesterday, and then we have yesterday's low, which is right here. Yesterday's low. All right. That's all I need to know for the day as far as like a potential target. See if we can get, I think we could get a little reaction off of this area as far as taking profit or selling for sell side. Let's do that red sell side, or no, that'd be green for buy side. All right. All right, so we have now a strong low form. We have breakup structure. We have this swing low. So it's a strong low. And then we have no presented fair value gap yet. So we gotta sit on our hands. Then we have, this would be an area where I would like to see us break above as well. And let's see. We have some sell side here. And then if we take out this sell side, I mean, we could go down to inform structure. We could go down to there, but these are that's kind of the first sell side, and then we do have like a minor sell side down here at that strong low here and here. So I need to go watch back the data on CPI report because I've seen a lot of these. I just forget what happens. We do have this. Let's see. Go back here. An equilibrium bar. Should be let's do okay. Let's do a blue. No, let's do. I've used all my colors. Let's do. I guess we'll do like that. Something like that. Can't forget what he calls it, but just put that. And where's that 1 hour start? This right here, this bar here is how I kind of visualize how the 1 hour candle is forming. So usually we'll have a break above, and then we'll come back down, forming a little wick, and then come back down. Or if we're bullish like this, it'll form a little wick lower before we start pushing price higher, or we'll just have a doji candle. So it kind of gives me a reference point as to how the dollar is forming, or the hour candle is forming. And then the 4 hours start. I kind of 4 hour starts at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. So if we go back to here, 6. Just kind of like where equilibrium is, honestly, but there we go. I'll just put that as 6. So you can see that when the new 4 hour candle, it did the classic power of 3, so we went down above it, above open, and then now we can be bullish. Give me 1 sec here. What do you say? Got our first presented fair value gap right here. There's definitely something suspicious about time and like that I've been seeing in the chart as far as like a pattern, but I just can't put my finger on it. Time and price. Like I know there's like ICT talks a lot about time and price, but there's just something. Oh. All right, if we get a swing high here, uh, there's an order block resting above here as well. Let's see what it does here. If we get a swing high here, we might want to fill in this little gap here. We have a strong low that or a strong high. And then let's see, we got 38 seconds left on this candle. Let's see if we form a swing high formation. We can calculate our risk. So we can at least get a 1-to-1 off that, even if we enter at that level. So what is our risk? 35. So we can risk 2. Alright, we got a swing high formation here, so I'm going to take a sell off of that level. Let me put my stop loss up there. My TP right here. It's not the best risk to reward, but I'll take it just to follow my strategy. Yeah. No. Sorry, my little one had an accident in his pants, so I'll be back. Just go ahead. I do believe this month where my take profit is at. We'll see if we get down there and finish the trade there. So, let's change your diaper. Goodbye, guys. All right, so back. It's a good trade. It's about a one to one, a little bit more. As long as it's 1-1, I can take it. I'd preferably, I would get a little more or than that, but as long as it's one, I can take it. I don't have a set target, although I do like, if I do like to look for opportunities to provide me with higher risk to reward ratio. It really gives you a good buffer if you get a good one, so you can take more trades. Like if you have if I can get like a 1 to 4, then it's really comforting when you see those opportunities for like a 1 to 4, and then now you can take 4 trades without really worrying about it. I'm not saying be sloppy with trading, but I'm like not worrying about it, meaning like let's see here, hold on. Like you just have less nerves, just because you have 4 trades to take off of just off of one winner. Then we have that range target down here that we could go to. I usually take off a partial pretty quick at a pretty good sell side. I've been thinking about leaving one to run. I just never, I'm still getting there, which is okay. We do have this gap here still open. It's coming back to fill in that from the news, the CPI. And we just filled that in now. And then I need to go back and look at my 15-minute chart. So the area of reversal that I could see would be actually on the range target. So I'm just going to remove this here actually. And then we are going to do that 15-minute fair value gap. Minute, and then we have if we dip below here at that point and start heading towards London, we have this 15-minute that we could see reversal on. All right. And then to refine that 15-minute gap, we can put it right here. Then if we can refine this one, that one actually we'll just leave alone. Made some. And then we're getting close to 10 o'clock, which is the new 4-hour candle starting. Is at 10 o'clock. Got a good swing low formation here. This is the first. So now if we go back and let's say we want to look at that 1 hour chart or candle, you can see we went up, we went down, and then we rebalanced, or we came back up into that. So it's like, so now when you're looking at this, you know when we close above below open, and when we go above opening price and then we go below it, likely there's a higher odd that after we hit below that, we go below that open price, we can see a sell-off down to a sell side at least, or kind of a, I mean, we could easily reverse here. So I guess what I'm saying is like once we go below opening price on that hour candle, we could see some sell-off. It doesn't mean that it's going to go all the way down to wherever you want it to go. But you could see, you know, short term, you could see some bullish or bearishness, same as bullishness. For example, this candle open, we dipped below that candle, we closed above it, and then we saw bullishness. So just power of three, just on a tinier scale to kind of get your bias. It has really helped me in this week. Like, is something that I haven't gone through all of ICT's mentorship, quite honestly. Still working my way through it. I've watched 2022. I've watched I watched 2022. I've watched most of 2024, and then I've watched all of his other videos, and then I think I'm on like month 4 on his IC. So I've pretty much watched everything except his full mentorship. I started everywhere else, but I think what's really helped me is I've taken a break from his mentorship. I'm not saying that like there's not valuable content in there, because I've definitely learned a lot in there. Um, and I'm gonna finish it. I think going back to the charts and then looking at things, it might be impatience, honestly, but just looking at things that make sense to me as well, kind of developing my own model around his concepts has really been beneficial to me, because I'll have a question and then I'll try to figure out the answer to it, which I think is, I think any, if you're wanting to be profitable in this business, that's the key, is to ask questions and then to find answers. So we can get rid of this sell side here. Then we have a new 4 hour. This is the new 4 hour developing now. So we go new 4 hour. So now we can watch this 4 hour develop and see where it wants to go. So if we go look back, let's look back at what our previous 4 hours. So we have a previous 4 hour. See if we can get a dip here, and then once we close above here, we can start looking for it to go into this gap here. We did go into that 4 hour fair value gap here. We just closed in this one, and we ticked right in up into there before selling off, which was where CP&I was headed. Honestly, I would still like to see us if we can get a pull like afternoon or something, if we can get a run into this area again. And I think we could head down here. And then we'll wait for the 10 o'clock fair value gap to form. We can trade off that. I think, even though I would love to continue this, I gotta cook some breakfast. I get ready for my day. Yeah, if you guys, like I said, if you guys want to join my Discord, feel free to. If not, that's fine. I'm just honestly looking for people to hang out with and and yeah, just trade with, quite honestly, and share ideas, and yeah, just to get to know some people in the community. But yeah, if you want to do that, that'd be great. If you like this content, then whatever YouTuber says, if you want to subscribe. But if you don't, that's fine too. All right. Hope you guys have a blessed day and stay profitable.